In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the font in Constant Contact. Whether you're crafting an email campaign or simply updating your newsletter, customizing the font can make a significant difference in how your message is perceived. Let's dive right in and transform your text into something more engaging and visually appealing. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Constant Contact is a robust platform for managing your email campaigns, and having an account will provide you with access to all its features. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Campaigns tab. This section is where you'll find all your past and present email campaigns. If you're new to Constant Contact, you might only see a few options here, but as you grow your email marketing efforts, this area will become populated with various campaigns. Next, you'll need to select the campaign you wish to edit. Browse through your list of campaigns and click on the one you're interested in customizing. After selecting the campaign, click on the Edit option. This will open up the campaign editor where all the magic happens. With the campaign editor open, locate the text section you want to alter. Click on the text box to activate it, and then highlight the specific text you wish to change. The editor will display a toolbar with various options above the text box, allowing you to modify your content. Now, let's change the font. In the toolbar, you'll notice a drop-down menu displaying the current font. Click on this menu to reveal a list of available fonts. Constant Contact offers a variety of fonts to choose from, giving you the flexibility to match your brand style or simply try out something new. Once you've found a font that suits your needs, click on it and you'll see the highlighted text instantly update to the new font style. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font in your Constant Contact campaign. Remember, playing around with different fonts can significantly impact the readability and aesthetic of your emails, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the perfect look. Before you finish, consider previewing your campaign to ensure everything looks just right. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button, usually located at the top right of the editor. This step is crucial as it allows you to see how your changes will appear to recipients, ensuring that your email looks professional and polished. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button to ensure all your font changes are applied and won't be lost. If you're ready to send out your campaign, you can proceed with the scheduling or sending it immediately. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to change the font in Constant Contact, making your email campaigns more personalized and visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.